Put that in the song full time.
There you go.
Texas flood or something different?
Yeah, that's fine.
Give your fingers a break?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure how much of a break, but.
At least a different set of pain?
Yeah, right.
I started wrong.
My fault that time.
What key were we in?
G.
Gee.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
That's what I said.
I thought you
My
were in
fault.
J. Sounded like J.
Yeah.
All right, Chris, your turn.
Yep, yep.
Down.